Probably the most common question I'm asked by parents who have daughters is, how do I know when my daughter has entered puberty? You know, that's not a very hard question to answer because there are some obvious signs you can look for. The first one that you probably will see is, or notice, is a change in her body odor. So that one's pretty clear, and that tends to happen early in the process. The second one is a change in her breasts. So the breasts are developing, these little tiny mammary glands are forming, and they're wrapped in fat, and so they form a little lump, usually underneath the nipple, and the nipple becomes tender. Definitely a sign that you're in puberty. It can start in one breast and then later in another, or both at the same time. Both those situations are normal. The third sign that you're going to have is very obvious. There's going to be a change in her emotions. This is probably more due to what's going on in her brain than having to do with hormones directly. A lot of research going on in that area. But what happens is she begins to want sort of to be a little bit more independent. She's growing up a little bit, and so she's going to push against you a little bit harder than she has in the past when you give her a directive. And she's probably going to go up and down with her emotions a little bit more than she has in the past. So particularly in the beginning, you're going to notice this change in her emotions. I want to team up with you. This is a very tense time for parents because they're just not quite sure what's happening and they're not quite sure what they need to do. So I wrote a book. This is called I'm a Girl, My Changing Body, and it's for girls in this age group of 8 to 9 years old. It's an anatomy book, biology-based book that talks about her body and the things that are changing in her body. And it's great. It gives her confidence that what's happening to her is normal, and it helps her to know what's going to happen next. So this is a great resource, and you can get that on Amazon, or you can get it on my website. And if you go to my website, I actually divided this book into 2 parts, smaller pieces. And you can purchase one of those smaller pieces. They're called sessions. And attached to each session is this free bonus piece, which is little 7-minute talks that you can do throughout these couple years that you have in early puberty. And they're all set up for you. So it'll be a great time for you with your daughter. So please enjoy this time. It's going to be interesting. There's going to be a lot of transition. But I just want you to know I'm always going to be there to support you with every way that I can. I'm Dr. M with Anatomy for Kids.